Good morning, futures traders. It is Thursday, October 27th at 9:29, and we are going to be trading the NASDAQ Market Open using the NinjaTrader automated strategy ShopBot Pro Legend Series, just like we did yesterday. And the bot is engaged, and we're going to see if we can take advantage of some of this good news that was out of the GDP growth today. Futures are up pretty big on the S&P and the Dow, down slightly on the NQ because of the tech earnings, but we'll look to take advantage of the momentum at the open with the ShopBot Pro. So I have it turned on, and we're going to let it look for its first trade at the open. I am using the 50-12 bar size today with a contract size of 3. I do have DRAM configured, and the market has just opened.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
And we have our runner. We're set to break even on this trade, so we'll just let it run. We did have some earlier resistance here, so let's see if it can break through that and gain some momentum upwards. Looks like we're getting there. We have another area here. If we can get past here, we should get some good upward movement. Let's see what happens. It is the NQ, so you never know. Let's trail it. Looks like we're getting a lot of wicks stop hunting here. All right, we're up through here. Let's see if we can get through this earlier resistance.
Order filled.
And we were stopped out.
Order submitted.
Let's take the downward wave and see if we can get a runner on the downside.
Order canceled.
Alright, so that was a loser. DRAM should kick in on the next trade.
Order filled.
Alright, DRAM
Order
did engage,
canceled.
and now we're back up to 900. And we have our runner, and it looks like we're going to stop out again at the break even. See what this bar does. And
order submitted.
oops, the wrong thing on the chart, sorry.
Order filled.
Alright, so
Order canceled.
that one bar took us in and out of the trade. Alright, so that was a losing trade again, so DRAM should kick in, hopefully get us a another runner. NASDAQ doesn't seem to want to find a direction yet.
Order filled. Order filled.
I did tighten up our target on
Order
that one
canceled.
because of the action going on. Alright, let's trail this.
Order filled.
We're getting pretty significant ranges in the bar, as you can see here. So there's a lot of indecisiveness across the buyers and sellers when you see these bars swing this large. So when this closes, we'll see what our profit is. It's probably around 600-ish. Yeah, 400. All right. So let's see if we can continue and let the bot do its thing. Look for the next trade. We do have an area right around here. When you see the bars going back and forth like this, it just shows there's a lot of indecisiveness between the buyers and the sellers, and doesn't know the direction. So we're just gonna hang tight, be patient, and wait for the next trade. Looks like it's trying to hit this level of support again down here. So again, we look back, we can see it hit that area a few times close here. It is in a range if we look at this. All right, so broke through that area of support by a few bars. So let's wait for the next wave. Nasdaq futures are Nasdaq continues to go down. We're down like 49 now. Dow's up over 400, which is great news, and the S&P's flat to up. So while we're waiting, I get a lot of questions and emails around how do you seem calm even when you lose. It's about practice. It's about discipline. It's about getting your brain right. Practice and simulation the way you would normally trade, following your strategy. If you have a loss, stay calm. Panic is really not the way to handle it. Panicking will tend to lead to overtrading, revenge trading. You know you're going to have losses. That's the nature of this business. The mindset is really what keeps you in the game. There will be days that you have a loss in an account. Like I said, I have several accounts that I trade, and while the majority of them stay in profit, there are those that are losers, right? So it's really all about discipline. Get in simulation every day. I do it every day after I'm done with my trading. I trade it the same way I would trade live. And practice that. Practice that mindset. Sit back, take a deep breath, right? Know that you're going to have a loss. It's going to happen. You saw I had 3 losses here with DRAM engaged. And know when to stop. Know when to take your profits and just leave. Right now I'm up $423. I'm actually considering stopping. But I do see some more downward momentum here to at least get us to $1,000. So it's important you to stay calm, right? And stay disciplined. You will succeed if you do that. All right, let's see what happens here with the next trade, what the software does thing. I just have it on and engaged and just letting it run automatically. That's the benefit of ShotBot. Again, you're not going to just let it run automatically all day. You want to make sure that you have a period of time that you're going to have it run, hit your profit target or your loss target, and then turn it off and go about your daily business. So we're into this trade now 14 minutes-ish. And we're just going to sit back and watch the market and see how the bot handles it. All right, we have our
Order submitted.
next trade long in the up wave.
Order canceled.
All right, we have our runner. So we did see that there was a slight bounce off of this level here that I accidentally. Okay, and again, it's important to always look left to see how the action worked prior. It hit this level twice here. It went through it a little bit here, but I'll consider that a bounce back up in the upswing. We did have a long downswing wave here, so I did anticipate that we would have some buyers at this level to raise it back up. And again, 5012 is a large bar size, so there's a lot of profit in these bars that are moving. I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. See if we can get a little more out of that.
Order filled.
All right, we hit our trailing stop. I probably had it a little too close. We got hit by this wick. I typically like to stay 2 or 3 bars behind, so I think I took myself out prematurely, but it's all right. Profit's profit.
Order submitted.
All right, it looks like we're trying to test this level again. The bias is
Order
definitely down.
canceled.
We got our runner, and let's see if it hits this level now. Make sure we're on automatic so we can follow this down. Yep. All right, we've got a good runner here. This will probably be my last trade. We're into it about 20 minutes, and this has been a good morning so far. We did see some DRAM engaged earlier. Sorry the video is so long, but this is live trading, folks. Take it pretty tight. Keep most of this profit. I did turn it off because I don't want it to take any more trades after this, but I will continue to trail it down, get the most out of the trade. Looks like we've got some good momentum down. I'm taking it right down to the bar, opening of the bar.
Order filled.
Okay. That's it. I know it could be going down more, but that's okay. I wanted to make sure I took profit on this. We hit my target, so I'm not going to overtrade. Let's wait for this bar to close and see what we got for the day. $2,100 for the day. Okay, so remember, stay cool, stay disciplined, right? I did have losses here earlier, as you saw earlier in the trading session. That's okay. Stick to your strategy. I had DRAM. I knew DRAM would get us out of it. I just followed the trade, stayed as calm as I can. Again, practice. Again, see, I would have gotten more, but that's okay. $2,100 in 20 minutes. All right, there's nothing wrong with that. Again, I can't say this enough. You will have losses. You just have to train your mind to handle those losses. Stay calm. Practice, practice, practice. Anyway, with that said, I'll stop preaching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate all the viewers that we have out there and the patience you've shown in some of these longer videos. I really do appreciate it. I will continue to trade live on a daily basis. And if you do have any questions, please leave a comment, and I get back to all comments. So have a great rest of the day. Enjoy yourself, and we'll see you tomorrow.